What'd you say?
You go like a mountain goat. And folks, this is Gabe's Branch Falls that my wife has wanted to see for a long time. Haven't you, sweetheart?
Yeah, I was waiting for the bad weather, the flood. And...
Yeah. The road up here was a rough ride through mud and rocks, and then it was a rougher walk, because that's plumb washed out. But we finally found it, and she got to see it.
You know what I'd like?
What's that, honey?
I would like for people with disabilities to be able to see that too, like Dad and, you know, anybody that have a wheelchair, and make a deck here, overlook, and have some kind of running board, a walking board down here to this.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
It's so beautiful. I mean, it needs to be looked and seen. It's just so beautiful. I wish everybody could see it.
Folks, a little ways down that road there is where we came from, about 1.5 miles or so.
Yeah.
To find Gabe's Branch Falls. And then we find this. And we find out we have to walk the rest of the ways down there. Look at that.
Not easy.
Nope.
It's rough.
But it is incredibly beautiful and pleasant.
I just love
As we do when we're in isolated places like this, let's give them a chance to enjoy the silence for just a few seconds. Ain't that beautiful? Mm-hmm. We just walked down there. Of course, I don't have to say we drove, do I? Nope.
No, we didn't drive.
The road up here was rough enough.
That's right.
Mud holes, rocks, gullies.
I think somebody put an arrow right here to show you where to go. Literally.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Maybe that's somebody lost.
If you're up here and you see these blue arrows.
Buddy, it is pretty.
Let me set that there.
It is plumb pretty.
Over here. This is just absolutely beautiful.
Ain't it though?
That is like a circle down there.
Yeah.
A puddle of that beautiful water. See this rock right here? Do you see this rock right here that I was sitting on?
Yep.
It's like a deck. It's a natural rock. It's a deck to look over that. That's the best view if you come up here, is to get on that rock and look down. Just be careful. And yeah, if there was some way to have a patio deck out to see that, overlooking it, that would be wonderful.
And there's a lot of rocks up here.
I wish that Dad could see it, but unfortunately with the road like that, I couldn't get him down in here.
Yeah.
And there's little trails I'm seeing. Other people may know a better way, another route to get down in here.
Yeah, well, this is our first time.
It's our first time. But we took the road, the main one, which I see some walking trails now that we may go up right here. See, that may be better than what we came through to walk out of here.
Let's see, do you see a way to drive out better?
But we had some awful water and floods, I'm sure, come through these mountains, so that's probably what's did this.
Yeah.
I'm not sure, but.
Yeah, this is just
I don't know what it looked like
couple
before.
of weeks past flooding, a month.
You know, I don't know what it looked like before this, but this is so peaceful up here.
Look at the beautiful color of that water.
Can I get a blanket and lay right here and sleep tonight?
You'll roll off.
I probably would.
Yeah.
But I'd sleep really good.
That's awful close to the edge. Yeah, you'll roll off. You wouldn't want to do that.
It was rough getting up here, but it was worth it.
Yeah.
Had to walk down because the road's gone.
Yep. We showed them that.
It's beautiful. I'm getting you a bunch of pictures.
Yep.
Wow, this is beautiful. I'd really like to see something be done about this, being able to come up here to this and having access to it better.
Yeah, it's rough, you're right.
There's some little trails here.
For a handicapped person.
Yeah. Mosquitoes are already out.
Yep.
They're already out, guys.
Yeah, mosquitoes.
Time to put that stuff on.
And God knows what other kind of critters. We didn't bring none of that stuff, did we? Maybe ticks.
Look at the moss on that tree.
Yeah.
It's probably most moss I've seen on a tree. Down here at the bottom.
Yeah. One of the most beautiful and hardest to access places in Kentucky. Gabe's Branch Falls. It is, man. Somebody does have it marked on the tree right
but
there.
they do kindly have it marked.
So follow the blue arrows. Now we got some big rocks and a big mud hole to get back through to get out of here. She goes like a goat.
What'd you say?
You go like a mountain goat.
Get over this way.
Chugging right along.
Come this way.
Look at this.
What is this?
You're not driving down there.
Nope.
I'm showing the folks the road right now. You're not driving, or the lack
I
thereof.
think you've got a rock crawler.
Or the trail formerly known as a road.
What is this?
Gas pipe, maybe. I wouldn't
I've
mess
seen
with
quite
it.
a few of those up here.
What?
I've seen quite a few of those up here.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Woo! From beautiful, isolated, and nearly inaccessible Gabe's Branch Falls on Pine Mountain, we want to thank y'all for coming on another adventure with us. Even if it's the venture we may get lost going on. We appreciate you guys so much. Appreciate your company. Hope you enjoyed the video and got something from it. We certainly enjoyed making it and having you guys along. What do we say at the end of these videos?
Bye.
Bye. God bless you guys.
See y'all in the next one.